What's goody, everyone? Welcome to A Money Road. Today, I am going to need a little help from my YouTubers and from YouTube. If y'all could help guide me, I'm having difficulties and others having difficulties. Family, friends, and fans, we need your help. People be trying to, subscribe to my channel and they subscribe to someone else's page or they don't see me in the search engine. Do y'all know how come that keep happening? If y'all could help me out, please drop a low, send a little comment, and send me the right direction. I don't care if it's a link, anything. We need y'all help, and I appreciate it. And I want.
I got it, 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 I got a whole lot of money in the bank. I need more going back at the bricks. I got it, 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 I got a car to drive in the fast lane. A bunch of dudes wanna give me a last name.
So as you guys see, like when I type in A Money, Ayyee, money with 2 Y's, it's not gonna show, see me at all. You get what I'm saying? Like, if I don't click that blue, like, do you mean? As you can see, it keeps scrolling, It's like none. You don't see none of my videos. If anybody have a way that I could make me more visible, like pop out without my fans and friends and family trying to find me, or even a new subscriber, how can I make it easy without having to put them through all of this? Sometimes they look right over do you mean, as you see. But it gotta be some type of way to make it a little bit better. But as of so far, it seems like YouTube be making it hard for me to spread my news. I'm in the search engine and see everybody else, everything goes but me. It always have bring this little link like, do you mean, A Money? But for some reason, I'm gonna show y'all. I've been having issues with people trying to, join the channel, and I'm gonna walk people through how to do it, because there's been a lot of issues, and I've been hearing that they've been subscribing to somebody else whose name spelled a little different. It was a little point in time I did a little research, and they told me to make sure I be hashtagging my name. It kind of fixed that for a slight second, but I'm not too sure what to do now. Like, still do my hashtags and everything, but when I could search from different phones. Everybody, tell me that they have this daily. So if you can help me, please help me out. Drop below. Send a link, something. Just need a little help, because it's definitely a movement, and it's definitely nothing but positivity, and it have to get spread. I'm not too sure that's the reason why it's not, available. But like I say, I got the music dropping. I got to get my fans and family, friends, and everybody ready. So if y'all could help me get my little search engine better, to help, people, because everybody having a hard time, Thank y'all for your time. Thank y'all for tuning in this whole time. Thank y'all for getting my subscribers up. We passed 220 now. If it's your first time to this channel, go ahead and drop below. Send that, good subscribe. Hit that button. And I always do subscribe for subscribe. So, if I get that notification or a comment or something like that, I'm subscribing to your page. I don't care if I'm not only subscriber. I love it, Thanks for the love, everybody. Thanks for staying tuned. It's definitely a positive movement. Thank y'all for tuning in. I want to make sure y'all, please hit that bell, smack that bell, slap that bell, subscribe, y'all. Don't forget. Stay tuned. It's definitely the takeoff. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.